In this guide, we are going over everything that you need to know about stands here in Bizarre Lineage on Roblox, how to get them, and the very best ones as well. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Let's get into this. Now, when you first start playing Bizarre Lineage, one of the biggest decisions you make is going to be rolling your stand. It basically defines your entire playstyle. Every stand comes with its own abilities and combat mechanics, and currently there's 17 stands in the game, each with its own rarity and full moveset. Some stands perform better in PvP, others are stronger in PvE farming and boss fights, so choosing the right one can make a pretty big difference. First, you have common strands. It's going to be stuff like Red Hot Chili Pepper, which includes stuff like Barrage, Thunder God, Flash, Pinky Slash, and Electrical Surge. Then you have Uncommon, which is like Magician's Red, The Hand, Purple Haze, Crazy Diamond, and Golden Experience, which offer a little bit stronger abilities and versatility compared to common ones. Then you have Rare, like Anubis, Killer Queen, Weather Report, and Stone Free, which come with more advanced, combat abilities and stronger combos. And finally, you have Legendary, which is like Star Platinum, The World, King Crimson, and the World High Voltage, which are much harder to obtain, but offer extremely powerful movesets and abilities like Time Stop or powerful counter mechanics. Finally, there is mythical stands as well, which are the rarest in the entire game, like White Snake, Sea Moon, Made in Heaven, and Sea Moon is going to evolve from White Snake, and Made in Heaven is the final evolution, and these are the strongest options in the entire game. But to get them, you have to roll them using a stand arrow. When you use a stand arrow from your inventory, and currently I actually don't have any, you'll get a random stand based on rarity. Now, there's several ways to get stand arrows. You can get them from game codes, story quest, and repeatable missions. And then, of course, they can also appear as random overworld spawns, especially near bus stops. Another good method is meteors, which can sometimes drop 7 to 10 arrows at once. Stand arrows can also be found in chests with higher rarities, having a higher chance at dropping them. You can also earn them through raids, which are started by speaking with raid NPCs like Kira, and world events are another options as well. Stuff like Team Deathmatch or a Graveyard Uprising near Morio Station can reward chests that contain stand arrows. Once you have one of those arrows, just open up your inventory and use it to roll a random stand. If you want even more stand storage, what you can do is Prestige by speaking with the Archmage NPC in the hospital. He's going to be straight through here. I'll run over there real quick. Once you go ahead and speak with him, you can Prestige by spending 10,000 cash, and of course, you do have to be level 50 as well, so just keep that in mind. Just make sure that you don't use any stand arrows without storing your current stand first, otherwise you risk getting rid of them. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is everything you need to know about stands here in Bizarre Lineage. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.